Welcome to Peterson Sawmills. My name's Keris and this is my husband Chris. Together we bring you the original Swingblade portable sawmill. Chris has been operating and building these mills with my dad Carl since the very beginning in 1989. We then purchased the brand Peterson from my dad in 2003, and Chris re-engineered the range, and we continue to listen to our owners, designing what the market needs. Because Chris is a sawmiller too, he knows what works and what doesn't and how robust it needs to be. Our R&D team is amazing, and I'd like to personally thank Troy and Aidan for helping us come up with great solutions for our current releases. We also believe in thorough testing. We greatly appreciate the local owners who have been helping us do that in the field well before releasing our new products. This is why we're very excited to bring you our latest technology in the Swingblade market, the massive 12.5-inch cut capacity with thin kerf in both the WPF manual mill and the ASM automated mill. I'll now leave you with Chris to show you our new products.
We've actually been inundated with our customers requesting a 12.5-inch mill, and you know, we've taken our time about doing this. We've done some intensive field work with it. We wanted to make sure that we got this right. We don't want to have a product that we take out there and sell and then customers have problems with it. Everybody knows how great they are, how popular they are, and we've just continued with this 12-inch mill. What's the maximum size cut you can do with this mill? In metric, it is 318 by 318 millimeters, or you can do the double cut facility where you can come in from both sides of the log, and that will be a 295 mil by 630 millimeter. For our American friends out there, we'll put that into imperial for you. It'll be a 12.5-inch by 12.5-inch cant, or double cut 11.5-inch by 24.5-inch beam. We can do a full pass, full cut, 318 mil or 12.5 inches in a single pass. The reasons why you see a lot of people do them in 2 or even 3 passes is 2 main reasons. One is the tension in the wood, and by doing small passes you're releasing the tension a lot slower. The other situation is if your wood is just incredibly dense. And the reason why we do this is to save the integrity of the blade. If the blade's doing a little bit less work, it's going to last longer on you. The kerf size is just a little bit over 1/4 of an inch wide. Not much wider than our current 10-inch mills, but it still has the smallest kerf available in a 12-inch blade configuration. So we have the box configuration frame unit here. We do like it because it's a rigid frame and it's proven all over the world. What we like about the setup that we got here in the low configuration is that it makes it nice and stable. You don't get a lot of horizontal sway when doing large horizontal cuts. But more importantly, it's easy to access anywhere around your log. You don't have tracks in your way or frames on the end of the logs. So when you've cut in your timber, it's easy to slide it off the end of the log either way or just off to the side. Cutting big beams, it's easy just to come in with a forklift, bobcat, whatever you may have, just to help assist in moving those big beams. Again, nothing in the way, makes life real easy for you. We have a couple of small features here on the new WPF to make it a little bit easier again for the operator. Larger wheels on the carriage. Pushing and pulling it makes it nice and lightweight still. We have rollers put on the very front of the unit there. That again, to make it a bit easier, winding left and right to counteract the extra weight put into the center unit. One of the biggest considerations with building a larger diameter blade was the amount of gyroscopic forces that are put on that saw blade. A couple of gas struts to assist you with the pivoting. The blade's obviously a bit heavier and you want to control that so that it goes down nice and smooth so you don't run any risk of losing tension quickly in your saw blade. It's taken us so long to come to this 12.5-inch mill now. Reason being is that we prioritize our extensive field work in real world testing conditions from an owner who has owned another one of our mills, and he's provided us with incredible robust feedback to ensure that we put out another great quality product. Peterson Sawmills are independently assessed for CE certification, which is one of the highest safety standards you can obtain in the world. Our mills are built right here in Rotorua, New Zealand. They're designed, manufactured, welded and assembled right here. We have the largest cut swing blade sawmill in the world, with the option of going to unlimited track length extensions. Peterson sawmills are reliable and field tested for industrial applications. We have the largest cut, retain ease of use, portability, accuracy, quality, and design simplicity that Peterson sawmills are renowned for.